I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming your device type and recent installs. This matters because Android and iOS differ. Once done, locate the apps that can show ads, recent installs, carrier apps, or free launchers, and disable or uninstall them. Make sure to open Settings now, go to Notifications, Apps, and the default launcher option if Android. On iOS, check Home Screen Settings and Notification Banners. Doing this early removes the most common ad sources and prepares you for deeper blocking steps. Now you remove persistent ad sources and restrict permissions so ads cannot reappear. First, uninstall the offending app. If uninstall fails, force stop and clear data, then revoke notification and overlay permissions. Next, revoke access for apps with notification listener or device admin rights. This prevents them from injecting ads. Then install a reputable ad blocking app or a DNS-based blocker from your official app store and configure it. This filters ad domains system-wide, which reduces. Finish by setting a trusted launcher and removing unknown widgets or shortcuts. This prevents ad widgets from returning. Once configured, monitor the home screen for reappearing ads for 24 to 48 hours. If ads persist, boot into safe mode to isolate the problematic app. Safe mode disables third-party apps so you can identify the culprit. If nothing else works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. As a key tip, clear caches and change passwords after the reset to stop reinfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.